Hi, hey, SixFourTrading. We've been talking about this for about over a month, if not longer now. Watching triple Qs here, watching the SPY here. Right, we were looking for it to come down back to test the bottom of this major support area. Now, I did a market analysis yesterday for the Discord. And we talked about this breaking this line. We talked about it coming down to the bottom of the support area. We were watching if it did come down here, and it did do this. And we've broken outside of this. Now we're in pre-market, it's at 550. Now if I break this down, 15-minute chart, you'll be able to see, we are down here at the 550 mark in pre-market. Let me see if I can get the session to come up here. It's in the hours. Here we go. Now, since we've broken out, we're trading below. This is what we've been warning about. And now we're broken below this key level because we came out of this zone before. Here around 550.41, we were calling out 550. So now the market is trying to bounce. Now this is in pre-market. Still, downside target is 539, 540s. I've been holding that target for a long time. We've been shorting this market ever since the all-time highs. And I'll show you that again. Up here, all right, all-time highs, we've been short. All right, my pro members, we talk about this. We talk about this in the Discord a lot. Webinars on this. So if we got this to a cross here, right, the 50 cross below the 100, which we've been talking about too. We've been watching some of the videos. What we're watching for is if the 50 comes down and starts to get near this 200-day SMA, because now we're going to the downside, and that doesn't mean that the market can't go back up. Ideally, we've been testing this major support area multiple times. Now, the bearish sentiment, we're saying this is a bear flag, right? Coming down here, creating this flag. What's really concerning, I know a lot of people that are investing and wondering if the market's going to go up. It's not looking good right now, right? Because I talked about this area here where you have the green, the big push-up displacement here over the 200 SMA where we tried to retrace it. You got the doji, and you got a big rejection candle that engulfed the last 2 days, the previous 2 days before this candle, of all that price action to get you back up above the 200. Then what you got what I call a bear sandwich. The bear sandwich is this right here. You got a big displacement candle here, right? Down candle here. You got a doji, and then you have a big displacement that went further. Now it just has to be, my analysis is it has to be a big displacement here, equal length on the third displacement to create that sandwich. So this is the meat, this is the bread, right? So that's the bear sandwich. We've broken that out. We've tested the bottom of this, of the major support area. We've broken out of it, and I said, be careful. If we break out of that area, that is very, very bearish. Let's go back to the intraday chart so we can see exactly where we're trading at right now. We're at 550.68. So we're calling out 550s. We talked about it in the Discord when I did the market analysis for the Discord on every Sunday. That's free, by the way. You get into the Discord, you get that part about it. The other parts, the pro members get all the other stuff on the daily. But you get in there, you can get the market analysis that I do on Sundays now. But anyway, so 550s is here. And what we're looking for is where are we going next, right? There is a key support level here. That's why I said the 550s area, because we've been down here before, as I just previously said. Now we're going to watch as the market opens in about 15 minutes. Will this push back now? Which you might get, because it likes to retest after you break major key levels. You see how it's pushing back up here? What you might get is a push up, retest this 555, and then come back down. We are in a bear trend. Bear trends, bull trends are never in straight lines. There's always a pullback to go higher, right? Or a pullback to go lower, or pull up in this case to go lower. That's what we have here on the SPY. Triple Qs is the same deal. They kind of trade with each other. Same deal here. Triple Qs. We're outside of a major area here, this 470s, and I've been talking about that 470 for a couple of weeks. We're down to 462s. Target on this is 450s, right? These targets are starting to play out. Everything that we've been monitoring and checking out here is starting to play out. Now, one thing about the triple Qs is this is still, still got the little depth cross here, across the 50 cross and the little 100. but you're hitting the key support zone. So I'll call this support zone here, right here, right? It is outside of that zone. We're trading right now, pre-markets of 462.94. That's exactly what we're trading at right now. When the market opens, you're going to see a gap. You'll see this open up here. This is not looking good for bulls in their case right now. So if this 463 is here now, the next level support again is 450. So we have another probably 10-point drop, 13-point drop, if not more, on the market for it to come down and complete this cycle. All right, I'm Hank, SixFourTrading. This is an early morning before the market opened, analysis of the market. Join the Discord, it's free, get up in there, start getting some of this stuff and some of this knowledge. Even my course is free. The Quick Start course with the Quick Start guide is free. So talk to you guys later. Good trade. Bye.